Hi, I'm Robin Axon, General Partner with Mantella Venture Partners.
Hi, I'm Duncan Hill, also a General Partner with Mantella.
Welcome to our space. In some forms, it's a traditional venture fund that we invest dollars, buy equity in companies, and hope to make money by selling those shares for more than we bought them for. Where it veers off is that we don't meet a slew of companies every day and passively pick investments. We pick partners. We pick founders and people in the early stage that we want to partner with to co-found and help build their companies. Help them hire their teams, hire their technical founders, carve out their product plans in the early days. We are investors. The relationship is still the venture. That's the traditional side. But I think you'd find that most of the founders of our companies would call us co-founders or partners with them as opposed to just traditional investors.
It's actually quite interesting because if you could imagine a startup company that doesn't get to come into a space like this, even if they raise some small seed capital and they're in a little shared space somewhere and there's just three of them working there and they get some great prospect to come in that they're trying to hire. That person walks in and they just see three people in a little cubicle in a little tiny shared office space or something. It's not really necessarily inspiring. One of the things that's great about this environment here is that when people come in, whether they're coming in to do business with one of our companies, whether they're coming in to be interviewed by them, they come in and they see a lot of activity.
It's a very interesting and rustic building with the brick and beam and the history of this building. But primarily for me, it was the openness that the venture partner was sitting at one end, the junior engineer was somewhere beside him, and all the way along there were a bunch of people in a very unique and very San Francisco feeling kind of building.
And as a testament as well, Chango is now at over 50 people. They outgrew the space in here with us. They could have gone anywhere. They've got the more than enough capital to go wherever they wanted. They moved downstairs. They wanted to stay a part of what we have going on here. They helped build it. They really did help build this environment, and they didn't want to leave it, even though they could have. And I think that's a great testament to what's here, is that whether it's a fledgling company or even one of 50 people, there's really something going on here that people want to be a part of.